Hello guys, welcome back. This time I want to make a one layered or one tiers cake stand, and I'm using the Fantasy mold, and it's the M size mold. It has a diameter of 24 centimeter, it's 8 millimeter deep, and in the center the hole for the hardware is 6 millimeters. So I already brushed my metal flakes, gold and silver, into my mold. And I also had some glitter, and it's a moon, and it's like purple and mint. It is a little bit holographic, so I thought this would be maybe nice. I'm using the B20 resin from Dipon. And yeah, I have a little bit of the flakes in my mold, so I have to take it out. But anyway, I'm just pouring around the edges, a little bit clear, and I'm covering it completely, but very carefully, not to cause too much bubbles or too many bubbles. And I just let it spread by itself. As you know, resin is self-leveling. And I already pour some resin into some cups because I want to mix my resin. Yeah, I'm spreading it out proper to the sides and just checking if I don't have any air bubbles there. And yeah, like I said, this will be a one tier layer cake stand, which you can use nicely for jewelries or any other accessories, or just as a decoration piece. And I like the mold very much, the Fantasy mold. And I thought I go with the mint color of Mrs ColorBerry. And actually this pour is also inspired by Mrs ColorBerry, because I saw recently a video on Instagram where she used this pigment paste, the mint, which is a wonderful color. I have it for quite a while. And she also brushed gold into her mold. She used round coaster molds. And I thought this was a brilliant combination. What she used was further her pigment paste, but I don't have it. So I thought, well, yeah, I make it, I should go one after the other. There you see me just putting a little bit more of the mint in. But anyway, as a second color, because I don't have the crystal pigment paste from her, I thought I go with the pearl white, which I'm taking now here. The pearl white is I love this. I used this already many times. So I'm mixing this up. While I'm mixing, I can also tell you a little bit more about the mold. It's the Fantasy mold. I already gave you some measurements, and it's from Mold and Shapes. And just check my description box. If you use the promo code PT5, you get 5% discount on this mold, on any other mold, for every purchase order you do. But as I already mentioned in some of my last videos, on the 9th of August they have a sale, and for one day, for the 9th, you get 15% discount. There I'm showing you a pour I did 6 months ago, where I got these striations, where the resin just pulled into the center and it made these wonderful stripes. So I already did this a while ago, and somehow you forget what you were doing because you are busy with other things. But I thought, this is what I want to achieve. So yeah, I'm going for this again. Now I'm torching my bubbles, so everything is all right. Just checking again. Yeah, careful in the sides because as you can see, the design has a little bit of a pattern. It's not straight, so you have to be careful that you get all your air bubbles out of these edges. But once you have poured into the fantasy mold, you see it's wonderful. I call it a flat mandala. Yeah, again a little bit torching. And now I'm going first with the mint. Torching my resin. And I go along the edges. Actually, I can tell you, there you see me still pouring with the paper cups. I ordered from Mrs ColorBerry the Forever cups and also the Forever sticks. And I'm really looking forward to receive them. I don't know how long it takes. So I guess in the next 2 or 3 videos, you still see me using wooden sticks and the paper cups, but this will change. I will more use my paper cups till they are gone and then completely change to her Forever series. I hope she will still do some more features like smaller cups, smaller sticks, but we will see. So now I'm going with my white, with the pearl white on top. And yeah, I just pour very slowly with a thin string or stream. And I go again with the white. And I'm hoping for some nice effects. So now I'm pouring some clear. Around it, pushing this all out, my colors. And I'm hoping that the micas pull into the center. Yeah, there of course are some bubbles. There was even a hair. Just make sure you take it out. I'm using a silicone brush for this. These are really, really good, so you don't damage your mold. Yeah, going further. And now using the torch again, just to pop the bubbles that are now on the top. Yeah, and you always have to see. Sometimes I have a hair in there or I discover something. So yeah, please be patient with me because I want the center to be rather clear also. So that's why I'm very pedantic in getting this out, what I find there. Yeah, torching it. And you can already see a little bit of movement. And now I'm going with the second layer. Again, the mint. and I'm following the pattern of the mold. This mint color is really, really very, very lovely, very delicate, very, yeah, I love it. When I saw Mrs ColorBerry making her pour, I was straight away in love again with this color. And I remember I had it. I used it last year a lot. But I think this year I've not used it so far. But it's so beautiful. And now the pearl white. And I'm torching again. And let the resin do its thing. And hoping for really, really nice effects. And there I thought I should get a little bit closer because it's like this on the other side. So I'm just pouring a little bit mint and pearl again. So it's covering a little bit the metal flakes. And yeah, so left and right from the metal flakes looking rather the same. That's what I was up to. And the resin is moving very slowly. And at that point I was a little bit afraid, will it work, won't it work? But we will see. I mean, you have to give resin its time. And yeah, like I showed, fingers crossed. And yeah, look at this. This is round about half an hour later. And I got my triations, those little strings pulling to the center, and I have a rather clear center. This is the next day, so roughly 24 hours later, and unmolding time. And I'm really curious how this is going to be looking. And I like the idea with the golden flakes and silver flakes, and also this little bit touch of glitter. And look, it's very, very clear. And I'm curious for the other side. I'm hoping for a little bit also of the crackle effect. And yeah, look at that. It has a lot of depth. It's like the strings are just pulling underneath into the center and on top the metal flakes, and I really like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, so I take you down for a close-up again, and you can really see how the flakes are floating on top and the strings are practically deeper. And the crackle effect, of course. Yeah, I hope you like it. I like it a lot. And yeah, there's a short video coming, and it shows you how I my cake stand with the hardware. Okay, I love and leave you, and thanks for watching. Take care, byes. I said just byes. Okay, take care, guys, and bye-bye. Okay, see you then. Bye.